All right, so here's the comments that I'm talking about from Taiwan Semiconductor's management team in the company's earnings call with Wall Street analysts late last week. So here's the good news. They said they now expect the gross margin dilution from the ramp up of our overseas fabs to be closer to 2% in the second half of 2025. That's really good news. They said for the full year, they now expect it to be 1 to 2% compared to our previously estimated 2 to 3%. So that's the good news, is the dilution, which what they're saying here is we're building our fab facilities, our manufacturing facilities outside of Taiwan. We're building them in the United States, in Arizona, in Japan, and building them out in Europe. Means for investors, what they're telling investors is that those facilities around the world outside of Taiwan are going to hurt their profit margins. Our profit margins are going to go down because it's going to cost us more to produce in those regions. And so for that reason, our margins are going to be lower because of the increase in cost of manufacturing that we do not expect to recoup in the form of higher prices we charge our customers. So Taiwan Semiconductor has been saying this. They've been forecasting this for some time now. They've been planning this and ramping this out for over a year now. So investors have become aware of this, and this upside here for 2025 is surprising. It's good news. It's a lot less than what we were expecting. We were expecting 2.5% at the midpoint, could be even worse. Instead, it was much better, just 1.5% at the midpoint, as the management team is now expecting. So getting this news, right, as I was reading this, I was like, whoa, does this mean that, longer term, the impact we were expecting is going to be less than what we thought? Because this isn't just a 1-year thing. This isn't just that their margins are going to be down for 1 year. What management told us is that every year for the next several years, our margins are going to move lower and lower and lower and lower as more of our production happens outside of Taiwan. And so with this news, you could have come to the conclusion like maybe that means longer term, it's not going to be that bad. But then just as quickly as Taiwan Semiconductor gets your hopes up, they then put your hopes down and said, don't get too excited here. Click the link below to watch the full video.